And in terms of managing risk across different entities, I know that a lot of charter school clients these days are getting into what are called risk pools or JPAs, these joint power authorities. Can you talk a little bit about what these are? What's the difference between those programs and how an insurance broker would more traditionally engage with a charter school?
Super question, and it's true. There is a rise in popularity, and there has been popularity around these risk pools and JPAs. So how I define them, a risk pool or a JPA is an aggregated set of schools. School districts will often use them singularly, but the charter schools at state by state have an ability to sort of aggregate their risks together in a risk pool. And by doing so, they sort of leverage the law of large numbers in the hopes of controlling rate. The challenge I have with those programs is they're often a one-size-fits-all solution because they have to be built to reflect the various risks of the charter schools in that pool. Some are required to carry high limits of liability insurance. Others have unique programs like aviation or diving that would require a unique risk profile that the JPA has to consider as well. But you can't slice and dice it to reflect your particular risk. It's sort of you get what you get and you don't get upset. And the program also is priced on the success and failure of that pool. So if the pool performs well together, that's a benefit to the pool. But if there are bad actors or unfortunate severe claims in that pool, it's going to impact the rate renewal of all of the schools in the program because all ships are going to rise and sink together.
Absolutely.
Follow. So working with a broker, you will sort of build your own destiny. You really can work to identify what are my specific liability limits that are required. What are the risks I have as a school? Are there any unique programs that I need to reflect that risk in the insurance policies I'm creating? And in doing so, and if I'm successful and I commit to managing those risks well, I can control my costs much better than when I'm linking to other schools where I have no control. So those are the real differentiators between the JPA and working with a broker.